In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to install and activate Gitoqlok. First things first, go to Chrome Web Store and find Gitoqlok among the extensions. Press Add. Now go to the options by clicking on the three-dot icon. Now what you've got to do is to link your Gitoqlok extension to the server of your choice, which is where you're going to upload your files to, and keep track of the version control when working on a collaborative mode. I'm going to use GitHub. You need to insert your GitHub personal token. If you don't already have one, you need to generate it by following the short instruction here. Make sure you have already signed in your GitHub account and press Generate New Token. You need to take the repo here. Each token in GitHub has pool of access rights, and you need to select the scope of your token, which is repository. This is your personal token. You need to copy it and insert it over here. You can test the connection and save. And now you're ready to go.